So the next IDE, which a lot of people know about and some people might, suggest you use, is Sublime Text. And they are on version Sublime Text 3. And Sublime Text is nagware. So they want to charge you $70. You could use it for free for as long as you want, but they're going to nag you, which means every now and then, like a couple times a day or a couple times a week, they'll be like, hey, buy Sublime, and we'll quit nagging you with these little messages. So it's nagware. I think it would be a fine IDE. It'd be a fine for doing your development. However, it does not have arguments in favor of it as strong as Atom.io and WebStorm. So you've heard me talk about why I think Atom.io and WebStorm are the best. That said, a lot of people, just because Sublime's been around for a long time, so the way it kind of worked in web history, everybody used Dreamweaver, then everybody used Sublime, and now everybody is going to Atom.io. Okay, so that's kind of how it works. And WebStorm, JetBrains has a strong argument because Google's unofficially endorsed them by building Android Studio on top of IntelliJ. And it's a big company, and there's a lot of cool functionality in WebStorm. So there's strong arguments for Atom, strong arguments for WebStorm, and for Sublime, it's kind of like the old dog on the block. You'll be okay if you use it. It'll be totally functional and totally fine, but it's not what I recommend. All right, so I just want to point that out so you're aware of what Sublime is. When you hear about Sublime, you'll understand at least one person's perspective. You'll understand the role it's played in the history of web development. It was the go-to choice for many years after Dreamweaver. I want you to know that, but I don't want you to use it. Use Atom or use WebStorm. All right, so I'm glad that you're informed about it and you can talk about it and you understand a little of the history, but don't use it. That's my advice.